The flow ball, breathing instruments and exercises to improve our lung capacity and air column. Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome one more day to the YouTube channel MusicBayside Oboe. I'm Nuria Cabezas, oboe teacher at the Conservatory of Music of Murcia in Spain, and today I prepared a video that is part of a series in which we will see breathing instruments and exercises to improve our lung capacity and air column necessary to play any wind instrument. In today's video, we're going to see the flow ball. Let's start. While we play and perform the specific breathing exercises, we must try to be so relaxed that the air enters and leaves our body naturally. When we inspire, our rib cage expands and the diaphragm lowers. On the contrary, when we exhale, the diaphragm rises and the rib cage returns to its natural position thanks to the work of the floating ribs and the diaphragmatic muscle. The diaphragm is located under the lungs and with a convex shape. When we breathe, it goes down, helping the floating ribs to expand. The rib cage covers from the clavicle to the floating ribs, and that's where the diaphragm is located. Here, the thumbs and the indexes represent the clavicle, and the rest of the fingers the floating ribs. When we breathe, and with the help of the diaphragm and the floating ribs, the rib cage expands. With these exercises, we will expand our lung capacity and learn how to use it at 100% at all times in a controlled way and without tension. If we don't use the full percentage of our capacity, the rest will be completed with unnecessary tension and force, dificulting our breathing control when playing with our instrument. The flow ball. The flow ball consists of a plastic pipe and a cork ball. The mechanism is very simple since we only need to blow through the pipe placed horizontally so that the ball rises. The flow ball gives us a visual perception of our air column, and what we have to achieve is that the ball is stable at a certain height using all the air so the breathing is complete. Next, we will perform some practical exercises with the flow ball. Exercise number 1. We perform a complete inhalation and exhalation into the flow ball. The goal will be to keep the ball stable at a distance of 1 finger from the flow ball throughout the exhalation. We'll do 5 series of this exercise. Exercise number 2. We perform a complete inhalation and exhalation into the flow ball. The goal will be to keep the ball stable at a distance of 2 fingers from the flow ball throughout the exhalation. Again, we'll do 5 series of this exercise. Exercise number 3. We perform a complete inhalation and exhalation into the flow ball. This time the goal will be to keep the ball stable at a distance of 3 fingers from the flow ball throughout the exhalation. We'll do 5 series of this exercise. Exercise number 4. We perform a complete inhalation and exhalation into the flow ball. The goal this time will be to keep the ball stable at a distance of 4 fingers from the flow ball throughout the exhalation. We'll do 5 series of this exercise. Exercise number 5. We work the speed of the air column from less to more and less again, maintaining the control of the ball at all times. We'll do 5 series of this exercise. This breathing gadget is very interesting to use with children or people who are starting their training in singing or any wind instrument. Its use is very visual and pedagogic at levels of initiation. I recommend you to do these exercises and those of the rest of the series of videos of breathing instruments during the routines of breathing exercises before to the study with the instrument, and you can check the significant changes that will be reflected in your domain of the air column, your lung capacity, and the sounds you produce with your instrument. This was all for today. I hope you like it. I'll meet you in all my social networks, on the YouTube channel and on the website of MusicBayside.com, where you will find lessons, videos, blog, and many more things for you to achieve your goal. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video. Welcome to the Music Bayside community. On the website of Music Bayside, MusicBayside.com, you will find information on how to get online lessons and personalized attention, and a free subscription to the newsletter. Through the email mail@musicbayside.com, you can get in touch. Share the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel Music Bayside, where you will find new videos every week. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to be tuned. Have you heard about the Patreon platform? If you like the content I'm creating in Music Bayside and you want to support the project with a monthly donation started at $1, you can visit my Patreon page, patreonpage.com/MusicBayside Oboe, where you will find all the information about it. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video.